Are you dreaming of a new life under the brilliant Australian sun? Do you imagine yourself building a career, a home, and a future in one of the world's most beautiful countries? For so many, this dream feels distant, a far-off hope that's complex and hard to reach. But what if I told you there's a secret key, a golden ticket that could unlock this entire journey, starting today? Welcome to Immigration Now, where we turn those dreams into reality. We are about to reveal the secrets to one of the most popular pathways to calling Australia home, the student visa. It's more than a way to study. It's the first step on a life-changing adventure. This isn't another guide full of jargon and complicated rules. Think of this as a friendly chat over coffee, simple and clear. We believe everyone deserves a clear shot at their goals, and understanding the process is the first victory. So, get comfortable. Let's begin this journey together. So, what exactly is this student visa we keep talking about? In Australia, it's officially called the Student Visa, Subclass 500. Think of it as your official permission slip to live in Australia for the purpose of studying. It allows you to enroll in a registered course. Simple English language course, bachelor's degree, master's degree. It's your ticket to Australia's world-class education system. An entry point into Australian life. A chance to immerse in the culture. This visa is quite flexible. Stay for the duration of your course, plus a month or two after. It typically allows you to work a limited number of hours while studying, gain local work experience, practice your English, earn money to help with living costs. That experience boosts future visa or job applications. Now for the most exciting part. How do you cross the bridge from being a temporary student to becoming a permanent resident of Australia? It's a journey with several clear stages, and it almost always begins with a crucial stepping stone visa after you graduate. You don't typically jump straight from a student visa to permanent residency. There's an important transitional phase in between. Stay in Australia after your studies, gain local work experience in your field, prepare your application for a permanent visa. The most common first step after finishing your degree is the temporary graduate visa, Subclass 485. This visa is a game changer. Eligible graduates can live and work in Australia for 2 to 4 years, longer for some degrees. There are no restrictions on the kind of work you can do. This is your golden opportunity. Find a job in your skilled occupation. Improve your English. Meet the points requirements. Once you're on the 485 and working, explore permanent residency options in earnest. The Australian immigration system is largely based on points: age, English ability, qualifications, work experience. The more points you have, the stronger your application. After graduating and securing your temporary graduate visa, a menu of permanent residency options opens up to you. It's important to know these options so you can aim for the one that suits you best. The main pathways are part of Australia's General Skilled Migration Program. It's designed to attract skilled workers who can contribute to the economy. Let's look at the most popular choices. Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189. Points tested, no sponsor required. Apply independently and live and work anywhere in Australia. Next, State and Territory Nominated Visas, an overview. Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190. Skilled Work Regional, Provisional, Subclass 491. For these, you need a nomination from a state or territory government. Each state has its own list of in-demand occupations. If your skill is on their list, they might nominate you. Subclass 190 is permanent, but usually requires 2 years in that state. Subclass 491 is provisional for 5 years in a designated regional area. After 3 years on the 491, you can apply for permanent residence. Another powerful pathway is through an employer, the Subclass 186. Now for the million-dollar question, which of these pathways is the easiest or the fastest? While easy is subjective, some routes are more straightforward for students. Generally, state nomination or regional pathways are often more accessible. The Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, is highly competitive. Subclass 189 is purely points-based. So many applicants push the points very high: accounting, IT. It's a fantastic visa, but also the most competitive. State-nominated visas are often easier, like Subclass 190, especially the regional Subclass 491. States and regions have real skill shortages. They are actively looking. If your occupation is listed and you meet criteria, nomination gives you extra points. Subclass 190 gives 5 extra points. Regional 491 gives 15. That can put you ahead of the competition. Committing to a region for a few years is a small price for a faster PR path. Government policy favors growth outside Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. More occupations, lower thresholds, faster processing. Let's create a clear, step-by-step map to guide you on this journey. Think of it as your personal checklist for success. The first step happens before you arrive. Step 1. Choose the right course. Research which occupations are in demand. Check the skilled occupation lists. Choose a course that leads to one of those occupations: nursing, teaching, IT, engineering. Your course choice is the single most important decision. Step 2. Excel in studies and get work experience. Focus on good grades. Use your work rights. Find part-time or internships in your field. This experience is gold. Step 3. Apply for the 485 visa quickly, usually within 6 months of course completion. As we wrap up, here are final tips to make this journey smoother. First, start planning early. Your path begins when you research your course. Don't wait until graduation to think about PR. Second, English is key. Better English means more points and faster invitations. Study, practice, watch Australian media, and talk to locals. Be flexible about location. Your best and fastest opportunities might be in regional cities with great lifestyles. Get professional advice. Rules change, and expert guidance prevents costly mistakes. It's an investment in your future. This path is proven. With planning and determination, it's absolutely achievable. See student life as strategic preparation for the future you want. The team at Immigration Now is here to support you every step of the way. Your bright future in Australia is waiting. Go for it. Subscribe to Immigration Now for more step-by-step guidance. Your Australian dream starts today.